Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to transfer Matic from Tangem Wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens securely, you're in the right place. Matic, also known as Polygon, is a popular cryptocurrency for fast transactions, and transferring it from a hardware wallet like Tangem to a platform like Uphold can be straightforward with the right steps. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that your wallet is properly set up and connected. You'll also need your Uphold account ready with the Matic wallet address handy. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app and unlock your wallet using your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the Assets section and select Matic from your list of holdings. This will show you your current balance and give you options for transactions. Step 2. Choose the Send or Transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. Paste in your Uphold Matic wallet address from the Uphold app or website. Don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer, but always leave a little extra for network fees. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. Check the network, it should be Polygon for Matic, the fees involved, and the final amount. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a signature on the Tangem device. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Uphold account to confirm when the Matic arrives. A quick tip. Always use the Polygon network for Matic transfers to keep costs low and speeds high. And remember, double-check addresses to prevent losing your funds. Crypto transactions are irreversible. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer Matic from Tangem to Uphold. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.